A few years ago, one of my patients, Margaret, an amazing 72-year-old grandmother from Ohio, came into my office feeling tired and frustrated. She told me she was worn out from chasing pills. She'd been dealing with chronic heartburn, painful joints, and fungal infections on her feet. Every new symptom seemed to bring a new prescription. But what surprised me most wasn't her symptoms. It was what helped her start feeling better. "Doctor," she said a month later, her eyes wide with amazement, "I can't believe baking soda made that much difference." And Margaret wasn't alone. "Hi, I'm Dr. Matthew Cole. For over 20 years, I've worked as a family physician and mobility expert, helping older adults regain strength, confidence, and quality of life. After 2 decades, one thing has become clear. Sometimes the simplest solutions have been hiding in plain sight, like baking soda. After age 60, our bodies start changing in subtle but important ways. Digestion slows down, inflammation settles into our joints. Our immune system doesn't bounce back as easily as it once did. Heartburn might visit more often, energy might dip, and skin may become more sensitive. Many think these changes are just part of getting older or something only medicines can fix, but baking soda can be a gentle, forgotten ally to ease many of these common struggles. Take David, for example. At 66, he used to sleep sitting up because burning in his chest would keep him awake. One night he tried a simple home remedy, half a teaspoon of baking soda in water. The relief was almost immediate. "Doc, I finally slept through the night," he told me. "Baking soda neutralizes excess stomach acid, quickly calming heartburn and acid reflux." Then there's Helen, who loved her morning coffee but hated the stains it left on her teeth. She began brushing gently with baking soda twice a week. After just a month, her smile was brighter and her teeth smoother. Baking soda's mild abrasiveness and pH-balancing fight bacteria without harsh chemicals. Bill was a retired carpenter with stiff, painful joints from arthritis. Drinking a small amount of baking soda in water daily helped reduce inflammation and ease his discomfort, a benefit supported by scientific studies showing how baking soda can calm the immune system. Rose struggled with recurring urinary tract infections. With her doctor's approval, she started sipping baking soda water once a day. It helped make her urine less acidic, easing burning sensations and discomfort. Carl, facing early-stage kidney disease, used baking soda under close medical guidance to help balance blood acidity. Research indicates this can slow disease progression. Tricia battled itchy, cracked skin on her feet for months. Warm baking soda foot soaks eased the itching and helped her skin heal. Studies show baking soda can fight many fungal infections. Gage, when caught in a cold, found gargling with baking soda and warm water soothed his sore throat and cleared mucus, offering simple natural relief. Emily avoided spicy foods because of painful canker sores, but rinsing her mouth with baking soda water helped reduce pain and speed healing. Tony's nighttime gout attacks eased when he drank baking soda water during flare-ups. Baking soda's alkalizing effect helps reduce uric acid buildup. Lisa loved her weekly reset baths, adding baking soda to warm water to relax muscles and soothe eczema flare-ups. Richard found his morning walks easier after drinking baking soda water beforehand, because baking soda buffers lactic acid and delays muscle fatigue. Nancy, sensitive to commercial deodorants, switched to applying a pinch of baking soda under her arms, which naturally neutralized odor and gave her fresh confidence. And ongoing research even suggests baking soda might support cancer treatment by altering the environment around tumors. While not a cure, it's a promising area to watch. If you want to give baking soda a gentle try, here's a simple week-long routine. Start by rinsing your mouth with half a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in warm water. Then enjoy a warm foot soak with baking soda added. Try brushing your teeth with it a couple of times during the week. Use it as a natural deodorant if you like. Sip a small amount in water when you feel heartburn coming on. Relax in a baking soda bath for muscle comfort. And if you feel a scratchy throat, gargle with baking soda water. Small daily steps, one gentle addition at a time. Remember Margaret, after a month of this routine, She returned glowing. I can eat chili again, my feet don't itch anymore, and I've slept better this week than I have in a year. She felt empowered, and most importantly in control of her health again. Of course, baking soda isn't for everyone. If you have high blood pressure, heart failure, kidney disease, are pregnant or nursing, or take certain medications like diuretics or blood pressure drugs, it's important to check with your doctor before trying this. Growing older doesn't mean losing your vitality. It means finding new ways to care for the body you've lived in for decades. Sometimes that means going back to basics. Try one thing today: a mouth rinse, a foot soak, or a calming bath. One simple step to show your body you're still listening. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend or loved one who might benefit. Your health is still in your hands. Sometimes all it takes is a little scoop of baking soda.